All right, guys, what's up? What's up? Another video here in New York session, and I'm just rinsing and repeating. I got in some buys. The market could be selling off today. I'm not sure. Good morning. I was just up 100, but I wasn't able to take it. So we're gonna see what happens. So I got this 1 minute fair value gap right here. It retraces back in. I'm looking for buys, but I don't know. It's not looking too good. I may have to get out and switch over to sells. But this is what the chart looks like. This is why I'm a little confused because you see it is an uptrend, but it's sold off all the way from over here. So I expected to come up here, maybe sell off again, but in the meantime, I'm trying to catch it going up. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Let's drop back down to the 1 minute. Okay, let's see. Okay. Let's give me a little something. It's a little something. Yeah, we might be in sales right now. I'm gonna have to get out for small profit. 25. Come on, there we go. A little something. There we go. There we go. Can we get a little more? I would like 150. 100. Okay, I sold off right there. Quick and easy, guys. You see, I'm not doing anything different to my strategy. Quick and easy like that. Um, I just sold that for 112, and you guys already know what's going on. I'm gonna take the retracement. When it comes back, I'm gonna do it a second time. There's the alert. So all I'm looking for is, hold on, guys. Let me get my path. Is a simple that, and then yeah, I suck at using this path thing. I really do. That, and then that. That's what I'm looking for. Simple as that. So let's see if we get the retracement. I woke up late today, so I'm a little out of it. I just jumped out of my sleep at 9:35 and just immediately caught that trade. Uh, but all right, I'm gonna restart the video when we get a retracement. I'm gonna run to the little boy's room. All right, I'm back, guys. So I just realized this. I might not get the second retracement because it already look. It made the fair value gap right here, and then this was the first. This little wick right here was the first retracement, and now this was the second. So it might not even come back down again. So this is a little risque. But I'm gonna try to jump in at the next entry, which will be right here. Yeah, I'm gonna get in. A little. This is a little early. We're gonna see what happens. I like it. Oh, nice. Perfect entry. Perfect entry. Look at that. I'll take the 100. Mr. Scalps. Mr. Scalps. That's what they call me. I only been in the charge about 13 minutes. That's 212 for the day. Yeah, so I thought it was gonna. Yeah, I didn't realize that it already retraced here at 9:30 on the 9:31 exactly. It retraced, and then it made this move here. This was the second retracement. So I already got in on the second retracement. Now it should keep running up after this, but I also see. Let's see what happens. Oh wow, look at that. It might be selling off right here. Yeah, this could. Oh, I'm sorry. This could be a sell off. Honestly, let me get rid of this path. Let me get rid of this path. Oh man, I'm so slow at editing my drawings. Yeah, this could be a sell off. Going in again, guys. Let this candle close though. It touched right here again. Let's see. Good thing I didn't jump in right there immediately. Let the candle close. 3, 2, 1. Because I see exactly why it sold off. So I want to make sure it's really respecting this trade. I'm gonna get in. I'm gonna get in. No hesitation. Not gonna hold for long because this is a strong selling area. 12, 25. Oh, I don't like the entry anymore. Let's see. Let's see if we're gonna respect the fair value gap again. I'm gonna take this one for like literally a tiny, tiny profit. I think it's gonna give a better entry. I'm not even trying to hold this one. Okay. All right. So 250 for the day. I have a feeling it's gonna sell off. That's why I just took it real quick for $12. Oh wow. All right. I'm gonna jump back in, guys. Got in again. Let's look at the 5 minute. I don't know. The 5 minute is giving me like, oh man, yeah, it looks like it's about to sell off. That was a horrible. I was right. It's selling off because I know people are playing this fair value gap right here. Look at that. That's why they're shorting it. So I want to see if what we get. We're still very bullish, so I'm a little hesitant for sells, but there we go. There we go. Give me my money back. Tell them to bring me my money. Hope it don't short right here. Because it went back to that. This is a fair value gap for sells that if you can see it went up into the fair value gap. People shorted it back down in this one. Now I'm hoping that it pushes up and continues. But it seems like people are trying to short it again. Oh man. I'm so tired. So tired. There we go. Nice. 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 Another scalp. Another scalp. All right. I'm up 300. I'm up 300. I scalped that one for like 50, I think. Let's see. You see, I don't look. It's not making new highs. This was the high at 937. This was the next high that it just made at 948, and then it made a lower high. Let's see if it pushes. Let's see if it pushes past the selling fair value gap. And in the very first video I made, I told you guys fair value gaps on the 1 minute react very well. So this was the fair value gap on the 1 minute that I played right here. It came in, retraced, made this move, and then it came down again. But then as it came down, it made this selling fair value gap right here. And as you can see, it came down and then made the move off the buying fair value gap into the selling fair value gap. And the selling fair value gap pushed it down. Now we retraced again into that. So I want to see to make sure that it continues past. There you go. But it has to close above. I hope I didn't just confuse you guys. Oh man. I think after this week, it's time since I scalp, I realize it might be time for me to start using two contracts instead of one. But Yeah, so made a quick 300 already. I'm gonna enter since it didn't respect that selling fair value gap. I'm gonna re-enter when it retraces back to it and try to scalp again. I put an alert on my phone, but it didn't show up on the. There you go. I wanted to come back down here to that fair value gap. So the fact that it didn't respect this selling fair value gap, this would now be an inverse fair value gap. This one is still green. It's still it respected this one a lot. I like playing buys, so I was like a little biased. Like, oh, it's gonna sell off. It's gonna sell off. Only because that's what I like. So I was looking for that. But sometimes you can't trade what you like. You gotta trade what you see. And yeah, like I said, it could come all the way up here to this, maybe to like right here, 7-1, 6-1. Yeah, I like it. As soon as it retraces back here, your boy's taking it again. Hopefully, you get an entry. It don't just take off. Very happy with my scalps. I didn't even analyze the charts. I literally just woke up 9:35, saw the fair value gap, jumped in. Now it's $300 later. I cannot complain. I cannot complain. Maybe at like 10 o'clock we'll get the move. And I'm gonna restart the video. When we get the retracement, I'm gonna play it again. So so your boy is not just here rambling. All right. All right, we got a small retracement. And I'm being reckless here, guys. I'm gonna jump in. Because I have a feeling it's not gonna come back down. And I want to join this party right now. I want to join this party. Look at that. Yeah. That's an uptrend if I ever seen one. Let's see. Let's see if we get some action. I was I got like a little setup in my room. I just been spending hours here. I never spent this much time in my room, and I can honestly say it's amazing. All right, I might get in right here. Let's see, cause it's a liquid fair value gap here that's reacting pretty well. It's a liquid one, liquid baby ute. Want to wait for this candle to close, and this might be an impulsive buy, but I like it. So is it really? But we'll see what happens. It's a little tricky. It's and it's 10 o'clock, so I'm gonna sit on my hands. We usually get a retracement at 10. Let me zoom out. Where's this? Let's see something. Cause this is the high. I don't think it's gonna go back up there. It's a little tricky. Sometimes when you're unsure, that means you probably just shouldn't trade. And that's how I'm feeling right now. It could be a sell off right there. Tick tock, tick tock. I made a TikTok. Yo, it's something about starting from scratch that's just beautiful. Like the grind is gonna be amazing. I cannot wait. Okay, respected this fair value gap. I might jump in some buys. Let me give it a second. Spoke too soon. I'm probably gonna let it come to the original one, which is the original plan anyway. Okay. As you can see, it almost touched. It didn't come all the way down. I'm gonna let this candle close out. I want to get in right now, but the wick is crazy. We shall wait. We shall wait. Good things come to those who wait, and patience pays. You see that? Keep going down. Give us the entry, baby. You know I love you, baby. 5 more seconds on the clock. Beautiful. Got in. Not the best entry because I could have got in when it actually went down there, but hey, let's see. I know we got to get some buying power stepping in. Let's go. Push that baby up. Push that baby up. I might enter with a second contract. I ain't scared. Oh, look at that. All right, this is where I should get in for two. This is the perfect opportunity. I got two contracts. Two contracts is very risque, guys. And you put that to two so I could get out on time. Give me something nice, something sexy. Print, print, print. I love the wick right there at the. There we go. Come on, come on. Do me good. If this prints with two contracts, I should make money pretty quickly. Let's go. I want to see it push up. Oh, you know what I should do to get a better understanding? Let's look at the 1 hour. It kind of still looks like a. Yeah, it's still uptrending. Oh gosh, two contracts, no joke. You see, guys, this might be the first L. I mean, it's still holding, but let's see. We need a strong push, a strong push. 10 o'clock madness. Come on. There we go. Give me out the negatives. Just gotta be patient. I gotta be more careful because two contracts could wipe me out like that. And there we go. We going back up. Let me get ready to sell. Push, push, push. There we go. I'm at break even now. I know I should be at money now. It's not showing me. I should be green. When you go down, it don't hesitate to show you. But when I know it's supposed to be up right there. It did not show me. There we go. Come on, push. There we go. Only 25. So you got for me? Push, 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 push. It's a little risque. All right. Give me an explosion. Come on. 50, 75, 100, 50, 100. All right, I took the 125, guys. Let's see. Let's see what we looking like for today. So that now I made okay, that's $400 for the day. Been 30 minutes, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Let's see. And I think okay, so this was yep. I'm gonna call it a wrap for a day, guys. I'm happy with my 400. I'm going back to bed. Like I said, fair value gap method is the way. And let me just give you guys my train of thought one more time. So this was the original play right here. Make the fair value gap. And some of you guys, when you see this, you might be wondering, it's a bunch of fair value gaps. Which one do you choose? You choose the one that breaks structure. So let me remove this, remove this. So you guys can see. Look on the chart. Well, actually, let's drop down to the 5 minute. So 930 was right. Where's 930? 930 started at this candle right here, right? You look on the chart. This is the fair value gap right before 930. It made a new high. This was the high before market open. Yes, this is the high before market open. Let me get my annotations. This was the high before market open right here. And then after market open, I done lost the fair value gap. Oh, okay, here we go. So boom, there's the fair value gap right there. And so it made the fair value gap before market open, made a new high after market. So that's the fair value gap. Then it came back down and retraced. And it's as simple as this. Literally as simple as this. Fair value gap up, come down. This is where you want to enter at. It goes up again. You catch a small portion of it, let it come back down again, and then boom, you get the big move. And then now, and that's it. Simple as that. That's the method. All three videos I made, I've been doing the same thing. That's all you have to do. And it's the same thing if you was in a bear market and you're doing it for puts. It'll just be vice versa or sells. That's it, guys. Taking my $400. I'm gonna get back in my comfortable bed. See you guys on the next one.